Markets extend gains for a second consecutive session. And if you see Nifty, that's ended above the 18,700 mark. In fact, the Sensex has ended above the 63,000 levels for the first time since December. And all the sectors managed to end in the green, though you had the bank Nifty, which underperformed the benchmark indices, though ended in the positive as well. In terms of mid cap and small cap index, we saw gains of almost around 0.8% to 1%. And it was RIL as well as ITC that led the gains in today's session. The market breadth has been pretty much skewed towards the bull, so that's a positive. So it's going to be an interesting month ahead. In terms of individual counters and sectors, real estate stocks advanced, and this was mainly because the residential prices have jumped as per a Knight Frank report. And if you see the Nifty Realty Index, that has gained 36% since March lows, as compared to a 3.6% to the global gauges. FMCG companies were in focus as well in today's session. In fact, good moves coming in there as the government has imposed a stock limit on wheat for the first time in 15 years, and the mandi prices of wheat have increased by 8%. In fact, the decision will actually hold the increase in terms of wheat prices. Dairy companies were also in focus as ICICI Direct Securities is expecting a correction in the milk procurement prices, which could lead to a margin expansion in FY24. Apart from that, few of the top gainers, as we already mentioned on Nifty, were from the FMCG pack that you can see on the screens and the consumption space. In terms of losers, you had a Kotak Mahindra Bank, Adani, HCL, as well as SBI in trade today. Very lastly, newsmakers. Z Entertainment, one of the top ones in focus. In fact, the stock corrected quite a bit post the SEBI order. Inox Wind hit a record high in trade today as well. And you had MRF, that's actually become the first company to hit the 1 lakh mark. Other companies like Indigo, Signet, and Devyani were also the newsmakers of the day. So overall, a lot of stock-specific action is what we've seen.